as the elected leadership, current serving leadership of both the Somali community, the Muslim community in Kenya, and generally the pastoralist community, we have pledged to support President Ruto in his bid for re-election in 2027. Even as we compete internally for posts in our various counties, we have taken a conscious decision unapologetically to support President Ruto for re-election in 2027. For the simple reason that he has demonstrated to us that he wants a united Kenya where every Kenyan, regardless of his religion and regardless of ethnicity, is considered and treated as a full Kenyan and not the Kenya of Class A and the Kenya of Class B. As chair of council, sometimes when I come out to support the president, the people are not happy. I still reserve the right to disagree with the national government on matters devolution. And Waziri knows here there are many things we disagree on. But I'm a politician and I'm allowed to take a stand. And the stand we have taken, which is the stand of my community, is to support President Ruto come 2027. And as we compete, we have decided we will be competing within President Ruto supporting coalition. God bless. Asanteni sana, Mungu awabariki.